Local news about local people. This is Newslink Indiana.
Good morning, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. With less than 2 weeks to the election, candidates are taking to the streets. Newslink Indiana's Jennifer Kinley met up with two who campaigned in Richmond.
Thursday, Congressman Mike Pence had lunch with Richmond residents at Carver's Family Restaurant.
One look at me and you know I like food, and this is a great restaurant. So we said, let's go somewhere where there's going to be a lot of people in Richmond.
I've met him once before, and I try to say hi to everybody.
Wayne County is about in the middle of the 19 counties I represent every day in Washington, D.C., and we thought it would be a great place to start our final push.
Pence greeted customers and answered questions.
Congressman Mike Pence wasn't the only politician to stop in Richmond today for a bite to eat. Governor Joe Kernan also stopped for lunch here at Tom's New York Deli in downtown Richmond.
Governor Kernan was at the deli before heading to Silgan Closures.
What I'm here to tell them is thank you. Thank you for the work that they do. Thank you for certainly their support that as an organization that they've given me.
It tickles me to death that he cares enough to bring his time to our little city and our little plant and let us know he cares.
Kernan also spoke with 10-year-old Blythe Luce for her school project on Indiana government. In Richmond, Jennifer Kinley, Newslink, Indiana.
Polls show the governor's race is a tight one, while polls show Pence in the lead over opponent Melina Fox. The economy is a hot topic in this year's governor's election, with Republican candidate Mitch Daniels talking big changes. Daniels wants to ensure the closure of the Department of Commerce and focus on its replacement, the Indiana Economic Development Corporation. The main issue, create jobs by helping businesses, and Daniels has just the person in mind, Vera Bradley co-founder Pat Miller.
We have to be proactive. We have to help our small businesses grow. We have to make the process simpler. If you need to apply for a permit, it's a pretty complicated process right now. So simplify the process.
Republicans hope for a steady tax base that will allow the economy to improve. Now here's Carrie Hazley with a look at the forecast. Carrie?
Thanks, Chris. Well, if it's sunshine you've been waiting on today, may or may not be your day. We'll start the day out at partly cloudy, but as we head through the day, we'll end up at mostly cloudy skies by the time we get into the evening. Today we're going to top out at a high temperature of 66 degrees. And for the overnight hours tonight, mostly cloudy skies, and as those clouds roll in through the day, we could see some sprinkles and a low of 58. Chris?
Thanks, Carrie. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 tonight for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.